Well, hello there, scrappy friends. Suzanne here in the studio today with another kit a day. And this one's a little bit of a quiz we're going to start with. Can you, from these colors, can you guess which line this is? We have Rich Razzleberry, Summer Starfruit, Tangerine Tango, Sahara Sand, Island Indigo, Pool Party, and Whisper White. A couple of those aren't actually Stampin' Up! Cardstock, but they were the closest I could come. Well, if you didn't guess, let me give you the answer. It is Sycamore Street. This is from 2013. And when it came out, it had its own ribbon pack, and it had a stamp set with a punch, and then later another stamp set came out for celebration. So let's look at the papers. And then we'll get to kitting it up. It's pretty. I'm giving you a close-up of the A side, and the B sides are kind of self-explanatory. Side, another B side, and then this is the iconic paper. Okay, let's see if we can't put together a kit. I found this one a little tougher than the last couple of days because I didn't find a sticker sheet to go with it, and that's really kind of a big deal. So I need to look through some other things, but let me show you what I have so far. And if you have any ideas at all on what you think is missing from this kit, please, please, please leave me a comment. Okay, here are the two stamp sets, Madison Avenue and Mosaic Madness. And then we have punches. This one obviously goes with Mosaic Madness. This one doesn't go with it's not a Stampin' Up! Punch, but it's the closest thing I could come that I thought would look good for punching out these images. And then, because one of the papers has sort of a quilt star on it, I'm going to put this one in as well. Here's that quilt star over here. Okay, like I said, there was a ribbon pack. It was a pack of 3 colors. Looks like I've lost my one pin. So there are those 3 colors, which are beautiful in the same ribbon. And then we also have some Velvet Rich Razzleberry, also from Stampin' Up! Okay, then as far as stickers and things I did find, I thought this would be fun. Hooray, love, goals, out loud. It's called High Five, so sort of a celebration kind of thing. This muddy yellow, which is what the Summer Starfruit kind of is. I thought that would go well. We have some Maggie Holmes white and gold. We have some Forever and Time. I think the yellow and orange in there will go well. I had some leftover Away We Go adhesive brads. And there are also some dots on the back. See if I can't get those used up. We have some Jelly Bean Soups journaling sprouts. And we have, these are Easter paper crafts from Paper Studio, or it might have been Joann's. Some puffy flowers there. And then for final finishing bits, I've got these Queen & Company little jewels. And they had a lot of colors in here that I thought would go well. So that is it. Like I said, I'm not completely satisfied. There's enough in this kit. But we will see how it goes. I hope you can give me a good tip on what I might add in. As always, I appreciate your time and attention. Bye for a bit.